right, what's going on? What's going on, everybody? It is the 1st of August. We've made it to a whole entire new month. I hope that everybody is feeling good and energized, and we all continue to strive and reach for our goals for this next month here of August, you know. With that being said, guys, let's take a look at the chart. I'm pretty much getting ready for my 9:30 a.m. setup. There's always only two scenarios that play out. We had a folder pretty much open here, so let me show you guys what I'm pretty much looking at, right? So let's look at the 4-hour chart here, right? And let's look at structure. I'm very big on structure, right? So we're seeing that US30 is continuing to form higher highs, and it's obviously reaching for the all-time high right here. Okay, now with that being said, so that you guys could understand my chart, right, the blue lines are 1-hour levels, the orange line are 4-hour levels, right? A level is basically a zone, a trading zone where there's heavy reactions. So they function as support and resistance. My yellow line is my EQ level. Above is premium, below is going to be discount, okay? Now, if we look at the 1-hour chart, right, we're still looking at structure, right? And this level here, this you know, swing low here that formed, right, had a heavy reaction, right? But then again, it came down and it broke structure. It closed underneath this wick right here. So if we put that line there, right, that pretty much is going to function as displacement, right? So if we take this trend line here and we basically drag it across, right, this actually displaced, right, but it's still a higher high. Now with that being said, right now we are technically in a premium zone, right? So if we look at this range right here, right, from here to here, we are in a premium zone, right? So what is price gonna do, right? Price is only gonna have two scenarios with this 9:30 open that I've been trading now for over 6 months. Price is either gonna break out of this zone right here and the buyers are gonna take control, right, which we have a folder at 10. So also these red vertical lines are folders which are called news drivers that are pretty much going to open up at you know, these particular times, right? Now with that being said, right, buyers will take control above this level and sellers will start to take control underneath these levels right here, right? And that's because we're in a premium zone right now, right? Now to add confluence to my analysis, right, I like to look at the DXY, because if you notice, right, the DXY, right now, right, it's bouncing off this 1-hour FEG, right? Notice how it digged deep into this, right? So that means that this FEG basically is holding up, right? Unless we see a closure underneath it, it doesn't have inversion, right? Now I don't only go by the dollar, but I just use it as, you know, an extra pat of the back because it's correlated to US30, right? Now with that being said, right, above this level I will easily take a buy, and below this level right here I will start looking at sales. I'm not gonna go ahead and place my buy stop or sell stop now because it's way too early. I like to do that around like at around, the latest is maybe like 9:27. 9:27 gives me enough time to go ahead and place those orders. Yesterday's trade, let's talk about it, man. So basically, this whole entire time, I've always been trading with a stop, but I was having a hard time calculating my TP. So yesterday's trade, I was up $8,400 market open, and I basically didn't pull the trigger. So I literally sat home for hours, and I was like, you know what, man? Like, I'm literally gonna figure out the exact point that I need to calculate my TP, right? So I went ahead and did that, because if we look at Tradeovate, right, which I actually gotta log into Tradeovate. All right, guys, let me see something. Oh yeah, like this, it was my actual trade, right? So like, if we come here yesterday, right, I'm killing it, man. I mean, I'm up. Market open, I'm up, right? That means, which I actually hate when I get into a trade before the market opens. I literally hate that. So I'm in this trade, right, you know, and I'm like, all right, I'm in the trade. I took the trade. I'm fully committed, right? Even though I hate getting into a trade that early, and I hate that because at times when the 9:30 candle opens, it could literally wick you out of the trade and you're done for the day, right? So I'm in this trade and you're seeing this. I'm up, right? So I'm like, all right, cool, you know? Then I reach a profit of $420, which I'm on 20 Apex accounts right now. So that's like $8,000. And I literally didn't pull the trigger, and the trade literally stopped me out. So I was a bit upset about that. Either way, I went back to the charts and I was just like, okay, man, why did this happen? You know, and how could we mitigate this error, you know? Because for me personally, like, out of the losses come the biggest lessons, and out of those lessons, you know, is when you actually become a trader. You know, my style of trading is effortless trading. So my trade entries have to be effortless. My TPs have to be effortless. My stop losses have to be effortless, you know? Actually, a bunch of the guys that I trade with, you know, that I started out with, like, we all trade kind of like the same strategy, really, on the open. We all got stopped out. And it was actually interesting because I remember going on the Discord and I was just like they're all talking about it, right? But they never talk about it. And I had already previously, you know, done my due diligence and back testing, and I was like, how can I be precise? Because this cannot happen again. How can I be precise, right? So with that being said, I'm using a 38-point stop, right? This is the stop that I like to use. 38 points. 38-point stop is what I'm going to be comfortable with using. And on top of that, my TP is always going to be about 43 points, right? So if we grab this fib here, halfway 40 is going to be my TP1 is going to be here. So I'm going to go ahead and place this here, TP1, add alert, boom. And then I'm going to go ahead, because I'm most likely going to take that trade there too. So seeing just where this range is at here, right? And then my TP one is going to be here as well, right? So we're going to go ahead and name this. We're going to go ahead and name this TP1, right? Bam. And then we're going to go ahead and name this alert TP1 here as well. And we're going to set this for the entry. And I'm going to go ahead and set this for the entry here as well. I really hope that it doesn't get me into this trade before 9:30. I hate when it does that. I really do. Like, I detest it, to be frank with you. So I'm going to go ahead and name this TP as well. All right, cool. Now, let me see what's going on here. Okay. Alright, funding pips. I missed a trade. Let me just exit out of all of this. I like my stuff to be really clean. Bum. So for my swing account, guys, I'm using funding pips, and for my scalping account, I'm using Apex. That's pretty much how this works. Alright, so we're pretty much logged into our Apex account here. Alright. I'm not gonna place the order yet, but I have to look at these levels. So entry at, let's see here. 4196 is the entry that I'm looking at here for a long, if that's the scenario. So that puts me at exit around here, give or take. Okay, for the short scenario, so for the short scenario, we're looking at an entry of 41047, and TP around this zone right here, 49.9. That's pretty much what that's going to be looking like. All right. All right. Let me just. Still super early, man. So there really ain't no pressure here. Entry at about 41. is going to be stop would be around this level right here. Let me see something. And for sales, which is going to be 41,046. TP 046. Basically be my TP. So here, once I'm in the trade, of course. All right, guys. So back to the charts, pretty much. I already have my zones set up. Wait a minute. Let me just do this one more time. 41 to right 4. All right. So back to the charts here. All right, let's just continue to just look at structure. All right, so it seems as if the dollar really respected that order block here. It's pushing upwards. So that, because that's occurring, it's actually leaning, I'm leaning a little bit more bearish, to be frank with you. because everything is a little bit inverted here. But yeah, I feel comfortable just taking sells underneath this level right here and buys above this level. Super comfortable doing that. So let's just wait for the scenarios to play out here. Alright. I hope that everybody has an amazing trading day, to be honest with you guys. These are the only two scenarios that I'm willing to entertain at this current moment in time. And the reason behind that is really that, look at the 1 hour, right? Strong reaction here, reaction here, reaction here, then it broke through that, so that level proves to be a level of heavy reaction zones. Reaction here, reactions all through this level right here, then it finally popped back above that level. So yeah, we just had a lot of reactions in that zone right there. So if you know price allows, then that's the trade that I would like to take. But we trade effortlessly here, and Wu Wei it's just a big part of my trade. You know, like I'm not attached to any trade. Like once I'm in the trade, I'm in the trade. I don't focus on daily P&Ls. I focus on monthly P&Ls. So if I'm up 8-10 points at the end of the month, that was a phenomenal month. And that's how I really observe my performance. I observe it. I don't judge it because I'm indifferent to it, you know, but I observe it at the end of the month. And I continue to see, you know, like what I'm able to tweak, you know, like for me personally, yesterday was a huge day for me, you know, like I had a major breakthrough and I was able to really assess, let's just call it a minor error in my code, you know, and that little minor error wasn't fully optimizing my performance, and I was able to catch it, you know. So I'm super happy about that. Super happy about that. I think that entry's got to be a little lower, maybe right here. Going to 15-minute real quick. Boom, 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 boom. That's good enough. Alright, 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 alright. Alright, 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 guys. Alright. Alright, today's gonna be a good day. I feel it already. I'm still stretching out, guys. I'm still stretching out. I'm a big stretcher, to be frank with you guys. Alright, let me go ahead and set this up now, actually. It's still a little early to set it up, man. I do not like to be in trades before, man. I really don't. Don't like to be in trades. Early for that shit, man. Worst case, if this gets triggered and it just drops on here, then I'll just take this entry down here. It's way too, it's just early, and it likes to do this shit, man. It really likes to do this shit, and I don't like to get into a trade pre-market. Like, hold up there, chill out, relax. It's okay. You're gonna make it to your destination, but just not right now. Breathe, candle. You need to learn how to breathe, candle. You're moving a little too fast for me, man. It's just that it's still early, and I've seen these crazy reactions already, man. I've seen these crazy reactions, but at 9:29 for sure, 9:29. I'll put that buy stop there. Well, I'll put the buy stop there. It's okay. Buy stop there. And I'm gonna go ahead and put the sell stop here. Sell stop here. One of these are gonna get triggered. If I see price getting too close to that candle, to that at 9:28, Oh, this is what the fuck is going on, bro? Like, yo, what the hell is going on with this shit? No wonder, man. That shit for a second just wasn't adding up to me, man. I was like, yo, what's happening here, man? Alright. Perfect. Okay. Alright guys, we're pretty much in the trade, right? We got in the trade at 41,197. 41,197. I'm gonna have to bring my stop down a little bit today, to be frank with you guys. And TP hit. TP hit, guys. We're done for the day. TP hit for the guy. Hey, guys. And that's how you do it. That is how you do it, guys. We had a phenomenal day. The trade executed perfectly. Perfectly. And that's how you do it, guys. That's how you do it. Stop playing with me. Stop playing with me. Stop playing with me, man. Stop playing with me, man. I've been doing this too long. Stop playing with me. All right, guys. All right. You see that right there? To the T, to that same exact level. I've been doing this for a long time. I know how this works. Look, man, price could continue to run. That's fine. I have very strict rules, and that's just what it is. But we executed this trade flawlessly. Beautiful trade. Man, TP2 hit. I should have held that. Look, man, TP2 hit. Everything smacked perfectly. This is what months and months and months of drilling yourself. Like, I was in Bangkok. Literally, I locked myself up in my freaking apartment, bro, in Thailand for 6 months. I did not leave that room. All I did was ICT for freaking 10 hours a day, taking notes, failure after failure after failure after failure, and never giving up, because I knew that this is the life that I deserve to live. And now that we're here, because I put myself through that, I get to share that experience with you all, and that's the beauty of it, you know. And if I have any family member that's struggling or going through something, you know, and they're open with themselves to allow me to teach them, then I'm able to pass on this knowledge now from generation to generation to generation. Because let me tell you something, guys, and write this down: nothing ever that you do will outpace a 3-minute candle. No work that you do will ever outpace a 3-minute candle. I just made $8,200 in basically 2 minutes and 21 seconds, man. 8,000. Just think about that. $8,400 in 2 minutes and 21 seconds. Think about everything that you guys had to go through to make that type of money. Come on, man. All right. Start off the month good. I'm happy about that. All right. All right. Let me just do something real quick here. Beautiful, 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 beautiful. Beautiful trade. 2 minutes, man. 2 minutes. Gross P&L 420, 420, 420. So that means 420 times 20. That's an $8,400 day, man. That's 8,000. Let me just repeat that for you guys. That's an $8,400 day in 2 minutes and 21 seconds, which is the time that the trade executed. It's been a year of hard work, but you're telling me that if I put in a year of serious work, 10-hour days, that I'm able to make $8,400 in 2 minutes and 21 seconds after I pay my tuition? Sign me up. Sign me up. Where do I sign up? Guys, please don't forget to like and subscribe. I'm putting up these trades pretty much every day. I share my wins as much as I share my losses. We're all going through a similar journey as traders, and I just want to be that vehicle, be that vessel that, you know, just helps you all understand that we're human, right? But we always have to find ways to optimize, you know, and Wu Wei is accepting the outcome and flowing with the rhythm of the market, you know. Like when we took this trade, right, we flowed with the rhythm of the market. And for that moment in time, right, for, you know, those 2 minutes and 21 seconds of that trade, we were right. And we did well, you know. So with that being said, guys, I'm going to end this stream now. Let me see if anybody's on, because I just started it, so I'm pretty sure that my channel hasn't picked up that much traction yet, but as I continue to post, it probably will. So let's see what happens. All right, okay guys.